So if you have an old Massey Ferguson, sooner or later your tractor will lock in reverse, but it's a really easy fix for it. So down here where this lid is, it's where you fill your hydraulic slash gear oil. Open this up, and down here you can see some gears. So when your gear level like this, completely stuck, because the big gear you see down there, that one is locked in the backward position. So now the tractor is locked in reverse. So what you need to do is just push it a little bit forward, and then you will be in free. So I just use one pry bar like this. Give it a little tap forward, and there it is. It's in free position again. So this was on Massey Ferguson 240, but I think many of the models have the same problem and the same solution.